How to rent movies on Amazon Prime or Prime Video. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can rent movies on Amazon Prime or Prime Video, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To rent movies on Amazon Prime or Prime Video, all you have to do is simply go ahead and launch the Amazon Prime Video application here. Now, you can only rent a movie if it is available for renting. So you don't have to take a whole subscription to rent a movie, but if that particular movie is available for rent, then you can basically rent it. So all you have to do is just go ahead and select a movie that you would like to rent, and if it is available to rent, then you'll find the rent button, but if it is not, then you will need to have a full trial or a full subscription. So to find this, you can also go to the rent, or you can go to the store tab over there. You should be able to find the ones that are available for rating over here, 4.99 or less this movie. So let's say I want to rent this movie. You can see rent movie for 3.99 US dollars. So I can just tap on it, or I can choose to buy it completely if I want. Then that's all it takes to go ahead and then basically rent movies on Prime Video. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.